Xrbia is a unique housing venture headquartered in Pune and is determined to build world-class cities across India that provide sustainable, smart homes for every Indian. The group's footprint span is across Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Delhi and Bangalore, with over 25 million square feet of existing development and 119 square feet of planned projects. Xrbia's goal is to build 1 lakh smart homes by 2015, 10 lakh smart homes by 2020, and to create 100 smart cities by 2030. Let me take you through what's in store for you in cities of future built by Xrbia. Xrbia. In its endeavor to create future-ready cities, we are extremely focused on customers' comfort. All our future-ready cities will be connected to nearest railway stations and shopping complexes. These dedicated shuttle services will be controlled by a group of professional transport providers in association with us. All you need to do is to call your township transport manager or just use our Xrbia Android app to book a seat in shuttle with number of passengers. Xrbia Smart Schools will make us a differentiator in industry. We are tied with world's best boards and brands in education. All schools network will be with smart class concept. Xrbia Schools will be a mix of residential and day schools in collaboration with international education brands. All schools will follow international boards and curriculums. All residents of Xrbia will have a first right to admission in these schools. These schools are interconnected, and if by any chance you need a transfer from one school to another, it can be done, which will help your child in no loss of his or her studies. Xrbia will create 2 big malls at Hinjewadi and Karzat, which have all the modern features like 7-screen multiplex, kids entertainment zone, food mall, international brand stores, electronic superstores, FMCG stores and fun and frolic zone. Xrbia will create convenience shops in all their townships, which will have grocery shops, salon, eatery, cafe, etc. All shops will be operated by professional groups, where currency is your smart card. All our projects will have high-class first aid center, doctors on call along with ambulance cab. Xrbia will have a network of 10 clubs in near future. Every Xrbian staying in any township will have an access of entire network of clubs. Each clubhouse will have guest rooms also. If any of residents is traveling to any of the locations, he can use these rooms to stay, or if you have guests at home, they sure can stay in the clubhouse. Xrbia will provide smart card to all the residents, which affiliates you to entire network of Xrbia city clubhouses at Madap, Varai, Neral, Nandgaon, Chakan, Hinjewadi, Hinj Road, Jambul, Wangani and Avsare. Xrbia has made a special tie-up with Disney to bring its magical experience in India. Xrbia has tied up with Krishna and Balaji Foundation for building temples in Karzat and has allotted 10 acres space to create a divine place. Xrbia is building a futuristic IT hub in association with renowned IT companies so that every resident can enjoy a perfect work-life balance. Xrbia will provide smart card to every resident. This smart card will act as a currency in Xrbia townships. It will be a prepaid card which you need to preload. And at any shops, schools, salons, health services, ticketing, etc. you can pay through your smart card. This smart card will give access to all clubhouses and concierge services. Xrbia will have a city-wide Wi-Fi connectivity for environment quality tracking of parameters like illumination, ultraviolet intensity, LPG concentration, smoke level and more. A strong and high-tech security system for monitoring each and every house 24 hours and 7 days. Just leave your security concerns to us. Child tracking systems allocated to every resident for tracking of their kids with tracking pebble and reporting on computer and smartphone. World-class water management systems with the state-of-the-art monitoring and control systems. Uninterrupted power supply with generator set backup and solar power units. Solar-powered water heaters are installed for all houses to cut down on every rising electricity bill. Xrbia is using eco-friendly paint in all the houses, which minimizes the chances of allergic reaction and reduces the likelihood of asthma in children, reduces headaches, nausea, fatigue, sinus irritation, skin rashes, etc., which are caused by inhaling conventional paints. Eco paint has a minimal environmental impact. They use water as a base, whereas conventional paints use a petrochemical base. This greatly reduces indoor air pollution that can lead to lots of serious medical conditions. A special home insurance, personal accident insurance of Rs 10 lakhs and a family floater health package worth Rs 5 lakh in a special tie-up is made with a New India Assurance, Bharati AXA and Apollo Munich, where Xrbia pays first-year premium and try to arrange for the best deal to the residents. Assisted living is a philosophy of care and services promoting independence and dignity, where Xrbia will contribute in building those special spaces and important utilities for senior citizens. Features like anti-skid tiles, age-friendly doors and windows, emergency response hooter systems, and many more utilities. A dedicated concierge service is planned for last-minute restaurant reservations and bespoke travel itineraries, opera and theatre tickets, to international property searches and accessing private schools and tutoring. Xrbia Concierge Services gives you all. In endeavor to give every resident a fresh food, we are leasing out a 100 square feet plot to interested residents, where you can do organic farming and grow vegetables or species of your choice. Go organic and stay healthy. Smart home is now not just a concept, it is reality. And Xrbia leads an installation of the latest smart home technologies to give you the feeling of luxury and utility with installations of smart kitchens, smart washrooms and appliances, and more. All Xrbia cities are connected via Wi-Fi. Entire home automation can be controlled through smartphone. Imagine you are controlling your AC from office just before leaving for the day. A dedicated smartphone app to top it up to handle and manage all utility services like grocery orders, salon appointments, laundry, plumber, carpentry, electrician services, man on call, utility bill payment, and many such utilities are managed by your smartphone. With smart and innovative home designs by top-notch architect Hafiz Contractor, Xrbia has introduced state-of-the-art construction technologies, and to name a few, aluminium form works, PEX piping, lash tile leveling system, wood plastic composites for doors and many more. Xrbia drives a futuristic revolution with a strong backend technology adapting SAP and Sugar CRM for a well-managed and monitored project execution and to manage end-to-end operations right from new inquiry till possession for a hassle-free and timely delivery. We thank you for visiting our Experience Center and request you to move towards the next experience zone where we will be taking you through strategically selected project locations and details. Xrbia, building future-ready cities. Xrbia is a unique housing venture headquartered in Pune and is determined to build world-class cities across India that provide sustainable, smart homes for every Indian.